Cereal is an extremely popular breakfast food. It is easy and convenient for those who live busy lifestyles, but is often loaded with added sugar and other unhealthy ingredients. Additionally, cereal can be easy to overeat, since many brands lack fiber and protein, which are essential for promoting fullness. 1. Oats. Oats are a nutritious cereal choice. They are commonly rolled or crushed and then consumed as oatmeal or porridge. Since oats are whole grains, they are rich in fiber and important nutrients. 1 cup, 234 grams, of cooked oats provides 4 grams of fiber and 59% of the DV for manganese, 23% for selenium, 21% for zinc, and 14% for phosphorus. They also provide a good amount of iron and magnesium. Some oats may be fortified to add additional vitamins and minerals during processing. You can purchase pre-portioned and flavored oats at the store, but it is best to avoid these and make your own. Store-bought oats are often high in added sugars and other unhealthy ingredients. Oatmeal is incredibly versatile and can be prepared in many different ways. It is often boiled with water or milk and then topped with fresh fruit, cinnamon, or nuts. You can also make overnight oats, which are soaked in milk or yogurt for several hours so that they are ready to eat in the morning for breakfast. 2. Dai muesli. Muesli is both a healthy and delicious type of cereal. It is typically made with a combination of rolled oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. While similar to granola, muesli differs in that it is consumed raw or without being baked. In addition, some versions are made without any added sweeteners or oils. The combination of whole grains and nuts makes muesli a good source of protein. For example, alpenmuesli provides about 6 grams of protein in a 2/3 cup, 55-gram serving. It also contains fiber, vitamins, and minerals. You can lower the carb content of muesli significantly by making a grain-free version, which can be made from coconut flakes, nuts, and raisins. 3. Homemade granola. Homemade granola can also be a very healthy cereal option. It is typically made by baking a combination of rolled oats, nuts, and dried fruit in the oven until it becomes crispy. Most types of granola contain a fair amount of protein and healthy fats. Additionally, it can provide several vitamins and minerals, such as phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, and B vitamins. Despite its nutrient content, store-bought granola tends to be loaded with added sugar, which is why it's best to make your own. Keep in mind that granola is quite high in calories. A 1 cup, 122-gram serving provides close to 600 calories. For this reason, it is best eaten in moderation if you're watching your calorie intake. Consider sticking with a serving size of about 1/4 cup, 85 grams. 4. Dai Cinnamon Crunch Cereal. There are several types of tasty cinnamon crunch cereals on the market, but many of them are high in added sugar, which you can avoid by making your own healthy version using flax seeds, hemp seeds, cinnamon, coconut oil, and apple juice, or a sugar substitute. 1 serving of this cereal could provide about 5 grams of filling protein and is much lower in carbs than many store-bought cereals. For example, a 28-gram serving of Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal contains 22 grams of carbs. A single serving of the homemade recipe using a sugar substitute contains only 3 grams of carbs, according to the recipe writer. 5. Cashew 7 Whole Grain Nuggets. Cashew 7 Whole Grain Nuggets is low in sugar and high in nutrients. It is made of 7 different types of whole grains, including oats, wheat, rye, barley, buckwheat, and triticale. All of these contribute to its high fiber content, providing 7 grams per 1/2 cup, 170-gram, serving according to the manufacturer. A 1/2 cup, 170-gram, serving also provides 7 grams of filling protein in addition to a fair amount of magnesium, zinc, potassium, and B vitamins. 7 whole grain nuggets are much lower in sugar compared to other cashew cereals. For example, 1 serving provides only 2 grams of sugar compared to Cashew Golian Crunch, which contains 13 grams per serving. 6. Post Foods Grape Nuts. Grape nuts are another healthy cereal option. According to the manufacturer, original flavored grape nuts are made with only 4 simple ingredients: whole grain wheat flour, malted barley flour, salt, and dried yeast. Additionally, they provide 7 grams of fiber per 1/2 cup, 170-gram, serving, as well as a variety of nutrients, including iron, B vitamins, zinc, magnesium, and copper. You can also make your own grape nuts, using almond and coconut flour instead of wheat flour. The bottom line: Many people enjoy eating cereal for breakfast. However, cereals are often made with refined grains and excess amounts of sugar, which are unhealthy and should be avoided. Nevertheless, there are plenty of healthy cereal options on the market that are nutritious and contain lots of fiber and protein without the added sugar. The key is to double-check the ingredient list before buying cereal to ensure it is a healthy option. You can also make your own cereal, which is a great way to increase the nutrition content and avoid unhealthy ingredients.